Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to view pages you liked on Facebook. For that, you need to hop into Facebook application. Make sure to sign in on your Facebook account, then tap on the three-line icon on the upper right corner. Tap on the gear icon on the upper right corner. So when you get access on the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on the activity log button on this your activity section. So here you can see the list of activities on Facebook. So on the top you can see the public post, public tags, story activity option. Just swipe towards the right slowly. Here you can see the option of page likes. Tap on it. So on this page you can simply see the pages you like on Facebook. So in this way you can easily view the pages you like on Facebook. I hope you found this video useful. Hit the like button. Thank you for watching.